But what is driving this growth? Is it sustainable, or are there underlying concerns that investors should be aware of? According to recent reports, about 85% of S&P 500 companies that have reported their earnings so far have beaten estimates, with profits up 32.7% excluding mark-to-market gains at Alphabet and Amazon. This is certainly a positive sign, indicating that corporate America is performing well. However, some experts are cautioning that inflation could still be a concern, particularly if oil prices rise due to geopolitical tensions. The US-Iran talks have stalled, and energy prices are already elevated, which could add pressure to consumer prices and bond yields. On the other hand, companies tied to AI-related infrastructure spending are seeing significant growth, with big tech's AI spending expected to rise past $700 billion this year. This trend is expected to continue, with hyperscalers like Amazon and Google leading the charge. So what does this mean for investors? Should they be optimistic about the market's prospects, or are there potential risks that they should be aware of? We'll be exploring these questions in more depth throughout the show, talking to experts and analyzing the data to provide you with a balanced view of the market. We'll also be discussing the latest earnings reports from major companies like Walmart and Analog Devices, which will give us insight into the health of the US consumer and the broader economy. We'll be right back with more from the world of stocks and finance on the Riskwiser Zone. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We're diving into the world of finance and exploring some exciting developments in the IPO market. 5 companies are set to raise a combined total of rupees 5,499 crore next week, with Horizon Industrial Parks leading the charge with a massive rupees 2,600 crore issue. Lalithia Jewelry Mart is also making waves with its rupees 1,700 crore 1PO. These fundraising efforts are a testament to the growing confidence in India's primary market, which has already seen 42 mainline companies raise a staggering rupees 54,378 crore through initial public offerings this year. The upcoming listings include Shankesh Jewelers, Sunshine Pictures, and Gaja Alternative Asset Management, each with their own unique story and growth prospects. But that's not all. We're also expecting 5 major listings next week, including Shiprocket, which raised an impressive rupees 1,617.48 crore through its IPO. Other companies like Doot Transmission, Mole Biodiagnostics, Milky Mist Dairy Food, and Behari Lal Engineering are also set to make their stock market debut. As investors, it's essential to stay informed about these developments and understand the risks and opportunities associated with each company. We'll be keeping a close eye on these IPOs and listings, and we'll bring you expert analysis and insights to help you navigate the complex world of finance. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. As we wrap up today's episode, let's take a look at the current state of mortgage rates and what it might mean for you. According to recent reports, ARM rates are falling, with the average 30-year mortgage rate sitting at 6.67% as of Wednesday, down from 6.69% a week earlier. This could be good news for those looking to refinance or purchase a home, but it's essential to consider the broader economic context and forecasts for the future. The Mortgage Bankers Association expects the 30-year mortgage rate to average 6.5% through 2026, while Fannie Mae predicts a slightly lower rate of 6.4% by the end of the year. Looking ahead to 2027, the MBA forecasts minimal changes in mortgage rates, but Fannie Mae is more optimistic, predicting average rates between 6.2% and 6.3% throughout the year. So, is now a good time to refinance your mortgage? With mortgage rates down over half a point since May, refinancing could be an attractive option for some. However, it's crucial to weigh your individual circumstances and consider factors like closing costs, credit scores, and loan terms before making a decision. As we navigate the complex world of mortgage rates and refinancing options, remember to stay informed, do your research, and consult with financial experts if needed. Whether you're a homeowner, buyer, or investor, it's essential to approach these decisions with caution and careful consideration. That's all for today's Riskwiser Zone. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep your finances in check.